In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your device was not made rated due to partial or ambiguous match. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Just go to your search menu, type in Device Manager, and then after that, just click on Open. So which is the first option, and then just go ahead to your device that has the problem. For example, this one, and then right-click on it, click on Update Driver, and then click on Browse. After that, click on Let me pick from list of available drivers, then choose your driver that has the problem, and then click on Next. After that, the driver will automatically update, and you should restart your computer after that for changes to take place. So after you do that, if you still has a problem, there is a chance that your device might be corrupted or it has an issue. So I recommend checking that out, and as always, thank you for watching.